mau Keo kaina Ikupono ea Ea imua uo mau Keo kaina Ikupono ea Ea imua uo mau Keo kaina Ikupono ea Ea while if I just nowadays a man at our kings and queens would visit all the islands and saw everything. How would they feel about the changes of our land? Why could you just imagine if they were around and saw our concrete jungle and highways on sacred ground? How would they feel about the disrespect of ancient lands? Wanna now, tears will come from each other's eyes, and they will stop to realize that's how all the people are in great danger now. Whoa, 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 tell me what would they say? How would they feel? Will the smiles be content or to cry for the pains that they have seen? Now cry for our God, cry for our people, cry for our lands that was taken away. And then yet you find her vote in name.